6.9 magnitude earthquake. Indonesia with a tsunami warning. That's significant there with these islands. Pretty deep. 6.9. Let's go back and look. Actually, I got 2 notifications of the same earthquake. Please give it a thumbs up. That's a strong earthquake, y'all. 6.9. I mean, this is all I know about it, with a tsunami warning. There'll probably be video come out in just a matter of time, because I'm pretty sure there probably will be a tsunami on these islands. I'm not 100% sure, but with a 6.9, it moved the ocean water. Yeah, that's at the bottom of the ocean too. Thank y'all for watching.